the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about YouTube stories. So I'm on phone.com here, and it says here YouTube stories are rolling out to creators with over 10,000 subscribers. So this is pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys have over 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, you guys should be seeing a YouTube stories feature showing up on your thing. So yeah. So let's check this out, see what I have to say about it. Alright. It says YouTube last year launched a Snapchat Stories like feature called Reel. Never heard of it. Well, that's because YouTube rolled it out to only a very tiny number of highly popular channels, as is the norm. However, the company is now expanding the feature and is just calling it Stories to a much larger pool of creators. According to a new report by The Verge, YouTube is going to allow channels with 10,000 or more subscribers to post temporary videos. So what makes YouTube Stories different from any other short-lived videos out there? Well, it's the same concept, but YouTube stories are viewable for up to 7 days after they have been posted, rather than just 24 hours. They can also be watched by both subscribers and non-subscribers, which is in line with the platform's more open nature. Stories will also appear in the up next sidebar according to YouTube, which makes us wonder, how often are we going to get bombarded with short, unsustainable videos that just start playing on their own? Remains to be seen. Since the launch of YouTube Reel last year, the feature has met with mixed reception from the content creators. Some have utilized it to share information and sneak peeks at upcoming videos with their subscribers, which seems to be the goal of YouTube Stories, while others have remained skeptical. Here's a quote from a YouTuber, and he says YouTube stories are weird. YouTuber Philip DeFranco tweeted, "They stay up for 7 days. They allow comments, but you can only reply with another video pic, and they currently lack swipe up video linking features, which to me seems like a missed opportunity potential, but I'm skeptical." End quote. Now that the feature is rolling out to a much larger pool of content creators, we may see some of yet untapped potential of YouTube stories expand. So basically, guys, you guys had to have 10,000 subscribers or more to use this YouTube stories feature. I don't have it on mine because I don't have 10,000 subscribers. I'm not even fucking close to that. So it may be a while before I'm able to use this, because I really want to try it out. But I've seen some stories on YouTube. I've seen some people do it, and it's pretty cool and stuff like that. I personally can't do it right now because I only have 2,500 subscribers. You need 10,000. Hopefully that YouTube will drop that number eventually, because they usually do. Hopefully they'll drop that number. Because when the community tab was launched last year, they said that you needed 10,000 subscribers for the community tab. I got that feature when it was launched last year, and I had 1,500 subscribers at that time when the community tab came out last year. I had I had 1,500 subscribers at that time, and the community tab came out and they said that you needed 10,000 subscribers, which, you know, I got it, and you know, so hopefully YouTube will lower their subscriber requirement to use YouTube stories. But I guess they're gonna test it out with larger YouTubers first, and then maybe they'll lower it down. Maybe we'll have to wait and see about that. To me, I think it's pretty cool so far. I mean, if I were able to use the feature, I would use it. I would try it out, you know what I'm saying, see if I like it or not. I can't say if I like it or not because I can't try the feature, so you know. So yeah, so these YouTube stories, they are short videos, and they stay up for 7 days, and you can you know, watch them and stuff like that. You can comment on them and stuff like that, and all that good stuff. They stay up for 7 days, and you can swipe left and right to view other stories as well and stuff like that. So want to know how someone has a story? Go to you'll see their channel icon. You'll see a red circle around the channel icon. You see a red circle around the channel icon, that means that they have a story up. So you know, that's pretty dope. I wish I could try this feature out, but I cannot try it out because I don't have 10,000 subscribers. But like I said, hopefully that YouTube will lower that requirement. Hopefully that they will, because that'd be pretty cool, because I would like to try it out. So yeah, so you guys have to have 10,000 subscribers to use this feature, and some of my subscribers have this feature and they have used it, so shout out to them. So I can't, too bad I can't use it, but it is what it is, guys. Hopefully YouTube will lower the subscriber requirement later on. But right now, I guess they're just testing it out with bigger YouTubers. So you know, it is what it is, guys. We just have to wait and see what happens. You know. So yeah, this feature is being rolled out right now to YouTubers with 10,000 or more subscribers. So if you guys have that, you guys should be seeing YouTube stories on your thing, and you guys should be able to check it out and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully that YouTube will lower the subscriber requirement for YouTube stories, but for right now it's 10,000 or more subscribers to use YouTube stories. So yeah, so I'm just letting you guys know that YouTube stories is being rolled out to YouTubers with 10,000 or more subscribers. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.